shit.
All right, Hustlers University, listen to me. Broke people, and if you don't have a Bugatti, you're broke. So I would say 100% of the people watching this, I consider you all poor.
Yeah.
Broke people are one of three things. You're either arrogant, lazy, or stupid. You can decide which one you want to be. Maybe you're a mixture of all three, but you are. Because when I try and tell people how to make money, they usually come back with something like, yeah, but I think... Who cares what you think? You're poor. You're poor. If thinking got you where you are, then maybe you should fucking stop. Because you ain't got anything. You're a brokey.
You walk around thinking thoughts your whole life. Look where that got you.
Nowhere. So if you're not arrogant, lazy, or stupid, if you're prepared to do the work and you're prepared to humble yourself and obey and listen, you can join HU and you're guaranteed to make money. 18 modern wealth creation methods. I have a bunch of receipts here. Look, I have receipts like people making money. Pow. It goes on and on and on. Everyone in there is making money all day, every day, and you're sitting outside and you haven't joined and you're like, well, maybe I could do it myself. You've done nothing yourself. You've failed. Look at your life. If I had to live your life, I'd be depressed. Your life is a cesspit. It's average. It's mundane. There's no action. The fucking female you fuck would repulse me. Your life is a fucking joke. I don't give a shit about your life. Everything you've ever built has been a monumental failure. You will never achieve anything without me. That's why you need Hustlers University in the War Room. You need us. I don't need you. If you don't join, do I stop being rich? No. I don't care if you join or not. You need me. That's what Hustlers University is about, because I'm the only person out here who teaches people how to get fucking rich. I do that on purpose because I want rich people around me, because when the battle comes, when the fucking Satan returns to earth and I need to make the battle call to the war room soldiers, I ain't got time for no brokies. So people who watch my show and agree with me and go, yeah, Andrew's right. If you think I'm right and you're ready to ride or die, you're ready to get on your horse and ride towards Valhalla to fight the demons, I want you to have some money in the bank. I don't want no brokey next to me. This is why I help all of you people. And when I help people, I do not have time for some broke boy sitting there to say, well, I actually think if I do this myself, I think I have a chance. You are talking to the number one. You're talking to the certified top G.
You know what's funny? What's funny is I know exactly what I'm talking about all of the time. I'm that guy.
Tate, you're a top G and a dog.
My pimpin's never slipping. I'm out here making too much fucking money. G.